Today started like every other day. However, it was Adrian Brody's birthday. He had invited all of his friends to his house so they could celebrate together. However, nobody showed up, and he ended up having cake with his dogs. As he was blowing out the candles, he wished he was somebody cooler. In a flash, he found himself surrounded by a bunch of people in a nightclub, and that he was also Lando Calrissian. He danced for many nights until one night he had a terrible nightmare that the world was in ruins. He surmised that it was because he gave up who he was to become somebody he was not. Immediately he set to find the Sword of 1,000 Truths so he could rectify his wrong. As he was about to uncover it, the sword's guardian emerged. Unfortunately, the guardian proved to be too strong and punched Adrian into oblivion, and the world was left in ruins forever. Or so he thought. Adrian emerged in a lake near his home. It was all a dream. With a renewed satisfaction of who he was, he went home to his party, even if only his dogs showed up.
This was a triumph. I'm making a note here, huge success. It's hard to overstate my satisfaction. Aperture Science. We do what we must because we can.